In the land of gods, there is a place which is yet to be explored, a place which excites the spirit of traveling. Here in the foothills of Rajgarh in the Himalayan heartland, enjoy the lush green views, rejuvenate yourself, and experience being in nature like never before. Some beautiful paths can't be discovered without getting lost. Go where the road takes you and explore the unexplored. Enjoy the beauty of encountering wildlife habitat. There is a promise of an experience of adventure, an experience of nature, and an experience that stays with you forever. With your stay with us, feel the ambience, comfort, and the passion of hospitality. We are open all year round. 3 hours drive from Chandigarh. Bookings open now.